What are you doing? I don't think that gift was for you. Lacey, I don't think that gift was for you.
That's supposed to be for Tiara.
I don't think that was for you, little girl. What are you trying to do? Have a Merry Christmas before Christmas? Huh? Are you trying to have a Merry Christmas before Christmas? You little Grinch. You're stealing Christmas from someone else. Are you stealing Christmas from someone else? Oh my goodness, did you do a job?
Oh, thanks a lot, Lacey. I can restart it all over.
She's like, wait, I'm not done. You little thief. Lacey the Grinch.
Look at her.
Lacey the Grinch.
I'll have to tip over my stuff. Alright, it's your job to clean it up.
Now what are you going to get into? You already trashed the room. Huh? Now what are you going to do? She's like, I'm going to attack the Webkins.
Ah, now she's going to tackle my feet.
Oh, good God. Little Christmas Grinch. I can't believe you opened up somebody else's gift. Oh, it's not even yours.
That's for Tiara.
That's not even yours.
Yours is with a bag of...
Now you're going to come get me because I won't let you open up the gift? Oh, now you're going to become a nibbler, huh? Mad because we caught you in the act? Caught your paws in the cookie jar? Where's she at?
You're hiding up here.
Where's she at, Lacey? No, she's going to tip your basket.
Oh.
You're not going to be happy till it's tipped, are you? There it goes.
Not like that. Let's see if she does it again.
She will. She don't wake it up. She's like, didn't I just tip this? It is not right. I said leave it down.
Should you get it back down?
Run in the living room, see if she'll follow you. Sidetracked.
Well, she didn't follow me.
Nope, she got sidetracked back by the gift. She says, I'm not done.
Now she's digging at it.
I still can't believe that. What a goofball. What a goofball. What a goofball.
Oh my God, Lacey.
Now you're a camera ham. There you go. See, that's why I can't get videos of you no more, because that's all you do. That's all you do is sniff the lens. Can't catch you on film anymore. You're a little ham. Merry Christmas to me.